Order 44-2C, I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Blue Economy, Water and Irrigation regarding the current status of the construction of the KISII Murung Dam in West Pokot constituency, rather in Pokot South constituency, West Pokot County. Honorable Speaker, the KISII Murung Dam is a critical development project for West Pokot County designed to supply potable water to approximately 350,000 residents in Kapenguria, Kabit Beach, Chebareria towns, and adjacent regions who currently grapple with lack of access to clean and safe water. This multi-purpose dam project, being implemented by the National Water Harvesting and Storage Authority, was initiated in March 2015 with an initial projected completion date of March 2018. However, it is deeply concerning that more than 6 years after the original scheduled completion date, the project remains unfinished. The prolonged delays have significantly impacted the residents of West Pokot County, infringing on their constitutional rights to access clean and safe water in adequate quantities as enshrined in Article 43(1)(d) of the Constitution. Honorable Speaker, it's against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Blue Economy, Water and Irrigation on the following. 1. What is the current status of KISII Murung Dam project and what are the reasons behind the delay in its completion? 2. What steps has the government undertaken to address the challenges that have led to the delay in the completion of this project? And 3. What measures are being taken by the Ministry and National Water Harvesting Storage Authority to complete the KISII Murung Dam project, including budgetary allocation in the financial year 2024-2025 and revised timelines for full operationalization of the dam? I thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Chairman, Water and Blue Economy. Bowen, when can you bring the statement?
Honorable Speaker, in 2 weeks, we'll bring a response.
Okay, 2 weeks it is. Next, Honorable Rahab Mukami, Member for Nyeri County.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 44-2C, I rise to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Department Committee on Health regarding support for persons with cerebral palsy in the country. Honorable Speaker, in the past, stigma and discrimination were major barriers for persons with cerebral palsy. Such challenges were due to lack of awareness and attribution of cerebral palsy to witchcraft. Consequently, many children with cerebral palsy were hidden and excluded from the society. These actions resulted in minimal government support, budget allocation, society outreach, and product services for intervention. However, persons with cerebral palsy are now coming out and interacting with the society, but still, we are not yet where we need to be supporting persons with cerebral palsy in Kenya. There are still gaps in healthcare, education, employment, support, and social participation that needed to be bridged. In addition, there is a need for continued effort to improve the lives of persons with cerebral palsy and their